Go ahead and try and get this plate mounted. Let me see if I can get you guys where you can see. Just down there. Hopefully that works where you can see we're going to mount this plate and hopefully tighten it down. We'll see.
Let's get in the shop and build something.
Let's see here. See how this goes. Alright, we'll put the front one on. Oh, I forgot about that. That might work in my favor. I made these brackets for the shifter out of a couple pieces of angle iron, and seemed like a great idea at the time, but when you're trying to do this, it ain't. Ooh, got it. First try. Sweet. Alright, let me go get, yeah. Alright. What size heads those are. We were lucky for sure. First crack, I guessed it. Okay, let's see what we can do here. Okay, there's those. Now we'll do these. Okay. That takes care of that. Now we'll set the shifter in. Hopefully that goes as easy. About perfect. We're going to go back here. Mm-mm. Kind of thinking I might want to move it to the back holes instead of the front holes. Alright, let's see what I did with a wrench. Yeah, I probably won't be as lucky this time. Oops, I lost my nut. There it is. I mean, it ain't much that I'm moving it, but sometimes just a little bit is all it takes to difference of reaching it or not reaching it, basically. Shoot. And that one I need to open up a little bit. All right. I'll be back. All right, let's set her in. All right, guys, you can see I made a little progress. I got the bolt. I got the shifter installed. I just got one more to put in or to tighten. Okay. And have you ever misplaced a wrench and not been able to find it? Yeah, that's what I did recently, and I misplaced my gaining now, seem to be losing. This is one of those that's a bugger to get to, and I'm just fighting it tooth and nail to come on, to get this done. And things just are not cooperating with me to get it done. And I'm working blind. Darn it. Man, this is getting frustrating. When I can't even see, I'm going to do everything by feel. I'm gonna have to pop that other cover off just so I can even see what the heck I'm doing. It's getting frustrating. Sorry guys, I gotta get this out of the way in order to get one bolt in play. One lousy bolt. Come on. Alright, that takes care of that. Now, I just got to get the... So what I got to mount now is the solenoid for the air block, for the air. And probably... So this is the in. So we can probably do it like this. Oh wait, no, not that. Up. So in. Yeah, so we'll do it like this. And I will mount that. I'm going to put it about right there. Now I can go straight into the air from there. So we'll get one mounted here, or one drill. Okay. Okay. Now I just got to get a transfer punch to fit that hole right there. Alright, now what to do with... Take it back off. Okay. And there I got a perfect little divot. So that divot right there, that's how you use a transfer punch. So we'll get this thing mounted. Or well, actually, we'll get the hole drilled and then we'll get it mounted. All right, now we'll get the solenoid mounted. And once it's mounted, let's see, that's the out and that's the in. Right. In. Out. Yep. All right, we'll tighten these down. All right. Okay, so we got that done. Now, all we have to do is measure our air line. And I'm going to leave just a little extra. We don't want it tight. Don't want it long, but we don't want it tight. So we'll go about right there, I think. Alright. Cool. Okay, put the gauge on and then run the other line, and then all I got left to do is wiring on that and get the cable. Does that need a... I think that needs a disc. I just robbed the one off my fill station, so I believe I'm gonna have to Okay, air's in. Now we gotta see about getting that cable down, well installed, and then I got a hole to run it through, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So we just need to pop that out, and because I think that's the hole she's going in. Alright guys, we got the shifter mounted, I got the cable put in there, getting ready to crawl underneath the truck and see if everything works down there, if the cable's long enough, whatnot. So that's my plan. We'll get that done, and then it is 7 o'clock, so I need to go up and get some supper and probably get back after it tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys follow along as we move along forward with this. As a recap, we got the air all installed, and I just checked it for leaks. It goes up to the air shifter, so we just got to finish the wiring that solenoid in, and we'll get the shifter wired in tomorrow once I'm sure everything's good. Get that done, and then that part of it's all done, and then all I have to do next is get the dash installed for the data logger, and that'll be the next project. So stick around, look for that coming up here in probably in the next 3 or 4 days. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, it helps me out a lot, as we move forward. So have a great one, guys.